Hello children, this is fifth chapter of moral science, nails in the fence. Children, moral from this story is keeping your temper, because it is very important to keep your temper, as decisions made in anger are never sound. So the story goes here. There was a family in Gwalior name of Mrs. and Mr. Lalit Dev. This couple had a brilliant son whose name was Karthik. Karthik was very intelligent, brilliant in studies, and not only in studies, in other co-curricular activities also. Always he was being appreciated, even by the principal of the school. School principal always spoke highly of him. Although Karthik was very brilliant, intelligent, there was a weakness in Karthik, and that was of frequently losing his temper. He would lose temper for insignificant matters, that is, for unnecessary things. Karthik would lose his temper. And gradually, parents started getting complaints regarding this weakness from school. Parents tried a trick. His father handed over a bag to him, that is to Karthik. The bag was filled with nails. Mr. Lalit Dev told Karthik that whenever he lose his temper, he must hammer a nail into the wood of the fence. Karthik was little surprised, but however, he had a very good quality, that he was an obedient boy. So he agreed to do so. First day, Karthik hammered 50 nails into the fence. Means it was 50 times when he lost his temper first day. The next day, the number of nails were less. That is, he started controlling his temper. And on the third day, they were even less in number. Then children, gradually Karthik, the hammered nails, gradually the number became less. Means he learned to control his temper. Gradually the number of nails which he was supposed to hammer in the wood fence became less. So he was able to control his anger to some extent. He realized that to drive the nail into the wood was a tough task. He thought that it would be better not to lose temper than to hammer nails into the fence. So this was his father's trick, which worked successfully. And then Karthik decided that he would never lose his temper in future. So the message is that you must learn to control your temper. Stop and think before you speak. Never do or say anything when you are angry or whenever you are in a bad mood. So we need to learn to control our temper. Thank you, children.